Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run an application as root or administrator in Mac computer. So whenever you launch any application, most of the applications are run in the user mode or the non-root mode. So in order to run an application in a root mode or administrator mode, you need to use the terminal. So first what we need to do is we need to open the Finder and go to Applications, and within the Applications go to Utilities and open the terminal. So once the terminal is open, just keep it aside and then go to the application that you want to run as a administrator. Say suppose I want to run the Safari browser as administrator, so I can just quickly search for Safari and then right click and select Show Package Contents, which will open the package contents of the Safari. Open that content and open the macOS, and here I have this Safari as my application, the unique executable file. And in the terminal, what I need to do is I need to type as sudo space and then simply drag and drop this Unix file to the terminal, which will enter the path of that particular file, and then hit on enter. Now I need to enter the password, the system password. So I will just enter the system password and the Safari is automatically launched. Now there are two instances here. So one is the Safari which is running as a user, and other is the Safari which is running as the root. So we can verify that. You can just go to the Finder and go to Applications, and within the Applications we can go to Utilities, and within the Utilities go to Activity Monitor, or you can also use the Spotlight search to find the Activity Monitor. So once you are here, go to any of the available tabs here, and here you would be able to see the user field. And if I just move it to here and processes, so let me just increase that, and here I can search for Safari. Now if I search for Safari, there are two instances running here. So one is the root, which is the administrator instance, and second is the digital life, which is my username. So in this way you can open any application with the administrative permission on your Mac. However, this is not recommended because most of the applications which are running have a full capability. If you are migrated from Windows to Mac, running the app using the administrative permissions might find you a bit complicated. Always use the normal mode where you can double click on that particular application and then you can run the app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button. Thank you. Cheers. Have a great day.